Hey YouTube, Little Rock 985. I had a lot of questions on how I did my kill switch for the engine to just stop automatically if you get in like a wreck or something. And I'm just gonna explain it. You can see I'm doing this little project, trying to get a light working. It's not working. I'll post a video up so you guys can see that. It'll probably be like an old way when I can figure it out. First, you need to drill a hole and make a wire go from one spot right there, that, and then make it wherever you want. That's called a ground. And then I just took a little hillbilly thing I found and did that. And then after that, you need, first off, you need a two-prong switch. And then you're going to take red or black wire and put it on that other one. And take it around and just do that. Switched over here and just take it up. And then you're going to have to make something for here. Because it's kind of wicked. I just took a piece of iron, put it around, bended it like that, and then I bent it around that so it works. Nice 5 horsepower engine, I like it. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it works. Give me a sec. Oh yeah, and that's better. Alright, the kill switch is right here. Just gonna make sure it's on, check it, and pull her up, see if it should start. And that's it. That's how you make an iPhone start. And if you have any questions, just ask me down below, and now I'll answer them for you. Okay, there you go. Peace.